With the 2021.1 release of Simcenter system simulation solutions, Siemens Digital Industries Software continues to support your innovations. With this update, our system simulation tools help you explore all the possibilities faster and model the complexity for a better design with always tighter collaboration and integration. Simcenter AIMSIM 2021.1 comes with various new capabilities for vehicle electrification, such as power electronics thermal modeling, 2-speed electrical vehicle gearbox parameter optimization, or torque vectoring design from a vehicle dynamics point of view. These new features help drive systems integration with key electric vehicle attributes. This version also brings the new Simcenter ROM Builder software for creating reduced order models. It offers the possibility to explore many more conditions and generate models for real-time or controlled synthesis. In the aerospace and defense area, Simcenter AIMSIM 2021.1 offers two new propeller performance tools, allowing a faster and earlier assessment of flight performance to support development of propulsion systems for innovative flying platform designs. Simcenter FlowMaster 2021.1 offers new capabilities to ensure digital continuity and to model complex physics. Users can export the fluid system model as a cross-platform portable FMU to be run in larger integration platforms without the need to install Simcenter FlowMaster or as an executable digital twin for real-time monitoring of plant operation. The comprehensive solution for importing process and instrumentation diagrams, or P&ID, from Cosmos and NX drastically reduces model setup time and ensures digital continuity throughout the life cycle of the asset. A new pipe model that uses particle tracking methods enables accurate modeling of complex processes such as priming, depriming, batching, purging, and cleaning of piping systems with both Newtonian and non-Newtonian fluids. Simcenter System Analyst 2021.1 is reinforced with the capability to execute optimization loops within a multi-criteria analysis workflow. A typical application of such capability is to perform a fuel consumption or performance optimization before evaluating drivability criteria and obtain the best result of multi-criteria analysis over several technical definitions. Simcenter System Architect 2021.1 automates the creation of a simulation architecture from a SysML representation. This reinforces the interoperability between system engineering and system simulation. Finally, Simcenter Web App Server 2021.1 comes with significant enhancements for better usability, such as units management, result comparison, and parameter layout customization. And these are just a few examples. To discover all the new capabilities of Simcenter System Simulation Solutions 2021.1, please visit the Simcenter community or our website using the links provided. We will soon unveil a new product, Simcenter Studio. Stay tuned to discover this new tool, allowing system engineers to make faster, better architecture design decisions without missing unexplored opportunities using AI-based methods.